All right, well, welcome to Food in a Flash. I am Coach Sarah. I'm one of the health promotion coaches here at the cooperative, and today we are talking about arugula. So, arugula is one of those green leafy vegetables that we can try to incorporate a little bit more into our nutrition. So, it's part of the cruciferous vegetable family, so kind of a big word there, but kind of similar to broccoli, kale, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, so kind of that side of the vegetables, so more of the darker greens too with the kale. Arugula actually has kind of a peppery and spicy flavor to it, and like I said, it's darker in color, so it's more nutrient dense than other green leafy vegetables like iceberg lettuce or romaine lettuce. So just another great option. If you're making a salad, you can swap it out for something that's a little bit more nutrient dense with that darker color. So nutrient wise, so about 3/4 of a cup is very low in calories, so only about 4 to 5 calories. So even if you were to double that and do 1.5 cups of arugula for a salad, it's really only 10 to 12-ish calories, so really not too many there. They're also low in fat and low in carbohydrates, so just like any other vegetables that we've talked about, another great option if you're trying to watch those. And then they also contain some protein, so some plant-based protein. So about 3/4 of a cup contains about 2.6 grams of protein. So, if you're doubling that again with 1.5 cups, over 4 grams, even over 5 grams of protein just in the leafy greens. So that's good for weight loss or weight management. And then also, so it contains vitamins and minerals that can help us with bone health, red blood cell formation, so calcium, vitamin K, iron, and then muscle and brain cell regeneration. So that's where folate and potassium are really good. It can also help lower blood pressure because it contains magnesium. And then also just supporting our immune health, so also containing some vitamin C in there too. So also full of antioxidants, which help prevent our cells from cell damage. So that's another great thing because we don't want to have cell damage. We hear a lot about antioxidants out there. And then also contains glucosinolates, which is a big word, glucosinolates, which give it that bitter taste and a stronger scent. But then that also protects potentially from certain cancers like breast cancer, lung, prostate, or colon cancer. So kind of some the antioxidant properties in that. And then another great thing is that arugula can be found year-round. It's pretty easy to find in the store, and then it sometimes is also mixed in with like spring mixes if you're looking in the lettuce aisle. So just making sure that you read the label so you can see that it's in there. But other ways to incorporate arugula, so you could add them to your main dishes that you're already doing. So you could add them on top of a pizza. You could put them in your tacos. If you were already going to do lettuce or something like that, you could swap it for arugula. Also pasta, so adding it in as another veggie in there. Omelets, or if you're making a sandwich, you could swap out the lettuce and put some arugula on there just for a little bit more flavor depth too. So, and then like I said, salads. So most of the time the spring mixes that are in the store have that incorporated in, but just making sure that you're reading the label to see if that's one of them. And then two salads. So it's kind of thinking outside the box. If you have leftover taco meat or chicken or something, that could be a great base. The arugula could be a great base for, a taco salad or a grilled chicken salad or something for the next day. Also adding them to soups, and then you could even blend them into sauces or into your smoothie. So the recipe that I actually have for today, it's roasted veggies with quinoa, and then it's an arugula sauce. So it's almost like a replacement of pesto. So it does have lime juice, arugula, frozen peas, garlic, and olive oil. So it's pretty simple. And so one of the differences between that and regular pesto, or two differences: one, it doesn't have any dairy, so it doesn't have any Parmesan cheese, and it also doesn't have any nuts, because usually pesto has almonds or pine nuts or something like that mixed in. So just a little bit healthier version with the frozen peas put in there. So I will add that recipe to the chat. So if you have any other questions, feel free to put them in there and I will stick around for a couple minutes. But otherwise, that is arugula.